Welcome back to JRF Mechanical. Here we're going to install a front hitch for a Toyota Tacoma. This is a 2002. It does say about 60 to 30. Here's your part number. This one fits it. You'll be able to see it sitting here. As you're installing it, you can take this out of the way. This is 17 millimeter. This is a 17. And this is just sitting there. It's a little loose metal, but you'll want the threads back for this. Then you'll want to take this thread feeder and feed it up in this hole here to pull your bolt and that bracket through with it. And then once you get that set in place, then you can put your nut on. So everything's just kind of loose at the moment. So this is kind of how it installs. And then you'll have to take that plastic cover off, and it's a 10 millimeter. So let me show you. You get your thread, and you'll take this nut and put it on here and thread it in. Okay. See how that starts like that, and then you'll feed this through it, and then you'll take this